Now na bobo. I don't listen to this proud for nothing idiot where they call and say Eric Tato. I say my reply to ye. Eric Tato. No man don't know if the revolution. You call Saudi Kamana, they say Mungwin. Mungwin over big no. Mungwin na very big insect. You be ants, ma tell you. You are an ant. You call Saudi Kamana, they say they be Mungwin. You know that I say Mungwin, if you get small meat for skin. Mungwin try get small meat for bone. You be ants. Ants. Even mosquito self. Mosquito. Who be you? Who be you? You get sense for that head. That coconut for that head. Something there inside. That water coconut hits. Who say come out the ballot for the revolution? Who say wanna come out? Eric Tato. Who say wanna come out? Would you wait you? You say kind day one. Would you wait you? Inshallah day 10. Not every day one. Not day 10. The day 10 orange. So small riff raff. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Now you not capot now you chop onto one dining table. Say come. You don't get classify ambassador and then I say come. Between you and ambassador, who they do divisive things for social media. Who they do divisive things for social media. If you want unity. And you can't tell now me go unite with who. Mu see devil go unite with devil. Now devil go apologize for God. Say be sorry for all these things they don't do. May God forgive you. No, now God go apologize for devil. Are you normal? Yeah, that has scores until they start that score. You did test how they come on at how they know if you go protest. They know if you raise money, they know if you do this. Because they do everything for do a job. No, now you don't carry social media, you carry a national telegraph, you put up the way when Google they pay you for your national telegraph, you need to do anything. Google they pay you because of true how they come on at them. Now that they tell our people, they say, oh, have you boycott this news and this hypocrites? When I do them very fast. Now that you study revolution, I know now you go end them. Would they have water big lips? No, now you study revolution, I know now you go end them. You did threaten with them. You did threaten as a family member. Now from there the thing starts. Now your woman don't make you behave so. Now whether if you call if you talk say your woman not the ask I say they don't retire. Now your woman don't send you me can't behave so. Or she say oh no. Or she say will not be not tell your woman be get problem with you for the way you be the enter this house come on matter. Now you want come out, you want more destroy them before you come out. Now before you want come out, you want destroy before you come out. Tell your woman, so on a small. Tell your woman, so all on a small. Which person don't come over IG, you come out Canada? This stupid idiot. You remember say you want to do that mind games now for who them? You want to do that mind games now for who? If you two pikin that you claim say want to take a family issue, if you two pikin that the fight is a has, Paragraph will solve the problem based on person will be right. The nigga solve problem. Person will be right. You did talk. No, you don't be talking with the Siseko. The Siseko one talking. The Siseko one the behave so. I see the behave. When I never get conversation with you. When I never get conversation with Siseko before I still move the letter. Even though when I talk with you, you come on now. You leave the person. What go hang on top of my head? Ya mami pima Eric Tato. Tribe will see. Now maybe they write your Facebook say choose. You say if you choose for destroy for ending, choose. Musiam. What if you do? Choose. Some bastard. Started coming on that's what day. When the show are good, when the show people they're not bad. You never hold meeting with Siseko. Prince Jagger did live show yesterday. Prince Jagger talk for president. It talk for Siseko. Siseko still say if the revolution fail. It means they don't fail no. They after all that on a meet on all out Siseko. It's it dissolve. It's the government if you say the one that pay cocoa farm. They form your own government. Then you come out for if you go hang for your neck. You can't hang na for Sadi come on at the head. Means Sadi come on at they can't abide to wrongness. So you talk away some man they do whenever any do wrong. Wrong way they don't tell you that wrong that you still do the wrong. Wrong way any man do wrong for the way na man way not do unknowingly. It means that nobody don't get advice. But not one way they don't advise you but you still do them. You are a bunch of idiots. You cannot do anything. We are waiting for it. You say one day, say that day one this, now day 10. Now day 10 this. What can you do? What can you do? Say and then Eric Tato. Because you don't go full Saudi Cameroon and them. They can't be a platform. No be so. They can't be a platform for your national telegraph. Then God will not pay you. Now that you be free because you want the office work. You be free for take vacation, go outside. You will go for Indonesia, go see beautiful beach. Go look beautiful beach in Indonesia. What are you doing? No, na God will pay all now. No, na say the Cameroon give una views them. God will pay una. You can't stand talk about that they work hard job. Where they do their best. Everyone they started come out, they didn't go for the protest. They didn't have a protest. Now you ever can't start you one. Like you are a sellout. You are a sellout, a black leg. You travel out to the started come out, the one that they travel, or you toss a cricket, you may be ants. Now you be black leg. Now you be black leg, now you be agent from La Republic. You are an agent from La Republic. The devil that came to steal, kill, and destroy. That's who you are. You came to kill, steal, and destroy. And you have done it. You have done it. And there's no more thing. Why did they just say if you do a never serve Ayabacho? Oh, you're on a different thing. Oh, never serve Ayabacho and Magbarata. What did they if you do, Eric? What did they if you do? Master go fan play shit. One day they still can't give you that views and me they can't give you that views and me go good they pay you. The one day they still give you that views and go shoot you quiet. Now why that? Now why that you Eric Tato? You come out, you cover 10 Saudi Cameroon and they go match your Francophone because you want get more views for your national telegraph. Because if Francophone they not they involve they say where the guy platform way either for one Cameroon and for federation. They got a platform way, the national telegraph way, is there for one Cameroon and this thing. Who are you? You just don't know all down at tricks. You just don't know all down at tricks. You want buy fame from La Republic, from Francophones them. Me they can make your national telegraph view me, me God will pay you more and more. It's just we dumb people. Idiot. Say that day one day. What can you do? What can you do? You call us cricket. Not even for what La Republic call us. Are we not still living? Are we still not going ahead? Are we not still facing our goal to have our independence? Now you can't call me cricket. You remember saying something. We will give you back a cricket big. Cricket over big. You be ants. You cannot do anything. And if you try more further, they go squeeze you like ants. Not say they attack now with the hardcore for place where they least you do them. They repatriate you back for Cameroon. Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. For ever go tell South Africa, you never attack like South Africa, you never attack like we. We will stand for justice, we will stand for the rightful parts. We will stand for things that will be right. We never talk with the Sissoko. You defend to Osako back. They simply change the mind. You know that's the reply for your post yesterday. Now me ambassador Bobo, they reply to you yesterday. So all they are talk them, you don't want to do mind games for 10 people that mind. Be small. Now that be the push ahead. Me put the sweat you do. Now that be the push ahead. The don't say Ayito face and the period for Ayito face. They don't expose all una. They don't expose all una. We know they. You never open your big lips. You talk dirty talk, flop your phone with spit. You have to make out to all your phone and spit. Who be you? Eric Tato. Who be you? That Ayabacho will be the claim say be the fight Ayabacho for the last 2 months. Will be the fight Ayabacho. Now end up for your manu. You supposed to say for which kind of love. Where you never protect the manu for not being divided. No na manu that go down for Ayabai hand. No be na manu that go down for Ayabai hand. You can't stand. You in a country man can rule. Me rule for thy kingdom come. It says that the ambassador that will be the fight for. Who shall be there for the beginning? Now you start the revolution. Wait, first now you go to Enam. Bunch of idiots. Go think for my man. Go sleep for your ass. Please fuck your woman for us. Take care for your primary school picking of house. Class 1 primary school picking of house. Go take care for the calculator. They go big other feature all day. Leave people the way they do that in them. They do that in them. Bunch of idiots. Say Eric, who be you? Who be you? You can't begin to ken the words. You try to ken the words. Say South Africa they attack you. Do the other come they now they do divisive here. No, you. None of you, we know all those political games. We know all those political games. We are bigger than that. Come and give another way, because the way with the car is small. The way with the car is small. We need to see him. We never see that. God never born that man. God never yet create that guy. We go can't 30 Saturday come out and say the revolution go for. They never yet create the person. So now you will see him. Go think again. You bunch of lunatic, moron. Who be you, a dictator? Who be you? Men is on try, they not fit. I say, I have a big pass for all side. A big pass for all side, but any succeed. Then are you riff raff, church rat? Now you, well, what can you do? You like openly work with the La Republique because you know go be strange because I tell you, you don't already do them. Openly work with La Republique, we don't get all the news what they could do for prison, and none of you know they do. Even some minister for La Republique, when Ambazonian. Minister for La Republique in Ambazona. You don't touch me, no listen, no, nothing was Siseko. You don't come, you don't hear what you wear. Prince Jaka don't even send message out there so that Siseko reply to one activism. You dodge that one. You have fools that come on and then they go enter federation. Thief man, thief dog. You be thief dog when you got thief bone for market. You be thief dog when you got thief bone after market. You go for slaughterhouse, go carry bone for the. That's who you are. Rotty peasant. Who are you? Stay up here, talk. You talk nonsense. You don't even reason for a talk. You don't even reason for a talk. Or remember, say, you talk no kids them. Say, cricket, who are you? You cannot do anything. In short, that day 1 at day 10 today. Me, I consider that day 10. Since President Ayok, he give me no speech. I mean, one eye speech in the come. He make no one eye speech. Is it not funny? Is it not funny? Is it not funny? You tell yourself when I never talk for the Siseko before he said do what you want to do. When I never talk for you, he said do what you want to do. What are you looking for behind Saudi Cameroon as a dictator? What are you looking for behind Saudi Cameroonians? Secretary Chris never talk about Ayok. Secretary Chris never talk about Ayok. Before all the mayhem want to expose, before all the danger for our revolution they expose. They never talk for you. President Sako never talk for you. You can't stand you the first AAP fiat. It will be AAP, not president. And not only one president working about Amazonia. So it's not about president. Get that your thick score. It's a thick various score. Get that one inside. Because your membrane don't be contaminated with virus. Your membrane don't be contaminated with virus. Some bunch of idiots. Go and think again more and come. Because you need to do nothing. And the look inside the laugh. Say you talk the corner, say Ochem by the name, call people and the crazy it. You call people and name now they stand for the revolution, make play the revolution today. Oh, it's another empty threat. Who's that noisy? Where are you about the destroy manu? Who's that noisy? Who's that noisy today? So stupid fool. You leave big targets when a country by country. Forever continue the preach a country by country. Maybe they go donate money for the you jump comes in and your countryman must rule. Your countryman must rule. You can't see innocent man go apologize for dictator. I mean, innocent man go apologize for dictator. The ton that chakara ya show bastard. Go take care of your 5 kids in your house. Go take care of your 5 kids in your house. So you say your family now inside the revolution. Your family now. Someone force you to come over and say you be activist. Someone force you. So if you do and say the kind time you destroy the revolution. Your prima go try again, idiot. Go try again harder. Say and then a dictator. Now me Ambassador Bobo don't reply to you. You cannot do anything for the revolution. If you want to attack me direct, you say, why attack anybody for your back? Attack me, Ambassador Bobo. I don't stand fight for your back. I don't stand fight so you must go down. You must go down. No man, all that blue and white army for Ambassador, me. Now me, Ambassador Bobo. If you want to attack me direct. Say, you're not a dictator, turn a fire your family. Idiot. Say, your family now over inside the revolution. We say we don't have a portray for Mason so family big kingdom. There's our Amazonia revolution. So it just say a dictator. Siam. Me and you for the revolution. Me and you. Social media WhatsApp. We there here. Even to that National Telegraph. I go zack and down. I go zack there National Telegraph for down. You know me no. You know me that I attack me for social media no. Gaming come. See they call Amazonia and say cricket. You couple where they make you be what you be today. You coach when they make you be what you be today. Say cricket. You be angst, and I so go screen for anything way it get linked to this revolution. And so go screen too. We go push you for there, you become the real evil way one be. Now we will go help you for push you for come out. Me that evilness asking show for all mommy, all myself. No come keep do the mind game for people say this and that. No come keep do that mind game. We know all that tricks them. No come keep stand say they come, they talk say Sissoko, they come, they talk say Sissoko, or they come, they talk say you don't tell me no sack. All that mind game no go work, Eric Tato. We are not kids. All that petty, small talk they talk, it no go work. Ask yourself a question before I end the audio. Ask yourself one question. Say when I never talk for the Sissoko, is it do what you want to do? What's the final President Sarkozy back? Ya Pima dog say Eric Tato. Say smoke don't smoke you no. You just ask with all lock all window and door. You just smoke. Say smoke don't smoke you. Ayito fair, backstabber, black leg them. People there for federation. We go dig down no play. Come on, Ambazona fool.